Hey fam, welcome back. Now let's check out this Fenty skincare line. Quick unboxing video. I caught a sale at Fenty Beauty for their makeup line. I'm sorry, not their makeup line, y'all, their skincare line, because I already got the makeup line, but it's the skincare, and I've been wanting to try some new skincare, and I was tagging in between Coda Skin and Fenty Beauty because those are like the two top ones that I've been looking at lately, because they treat sensitive skin and correct blemishes and so forth. So Fenty Beauty had a sale with an additional 25% off, so I went ahead and grabbed it because it was pretty reasonable. But it's all taped up. Nice little design, you can see that. Then it comes with the purchase order slip of what you actually purchased. So this right here is her 3-piece travel set. So if you're on the go and you travel, you want to take your skincare with you, this is really good. This was less than $40. So I picked up one for me because I'm getting ready to do some traveling this summer. And then my goddaughter wanted to try it too, so I picked up one for her as well. But this is a 3-piece set. So it is the Total Cleanser, the Fenty Skin Starter Set with the Fat Water, the Hydra Visor, and the Total Skin Cleanser. That's what this is right here. And then I also purchased the full size set. So this is the full size set that I purchased. So this is just the packaging, how it comes. Everything has seals on it. The seal, so you know it has not been tampered with or opened. And then the moisturizer comes in a box that we're gonna have to get this out of here. Okay. Question is how. So it's sealed inside the box. And it's 2 pieces. So this is an interesting combo. This looks like it twists, so you can twist it up. And it's a tube like this. She has details on all of her stuff, which is really nice. Fenty Skin. And this just sits, I'm assuming it's gonna sit in here. And I guess when you're ready to use it, you just pump, 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 pump it up. So basically, oh, it comes with instructions. Okay, you guys, so that's the end of this video. That's everything that I purchased from her new skincare line. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Until next time, fam. Bye.